topic which we are going to study is types of earthing. There are two types of earthing which are commonly used. First is known as plate earthing, and second one is pipe earthing. In an earthing system, the metallic body such as the plate or the pipe which is embedded or buried inside the earth, it is referred to as earth electrode. Now for effective earthing, the resistance offered by the earth electrode along with the soil will be there around the pit. The resistance offered by the earth electrode along with the soil in which the earth electrode is embedded should be quite low. Generally, galvanized iron, Gi or copper is used to make an earth electrode. Copper, although costly, is a better choice as if we compare it with galvanized iron, because it is least affected by moisture and is not easily rusted. So essentially, if we compare copper with galvanized iron, copper is a better choice. As I have said that it is least affected by moisture and is not easily rusted. Now what we'll do is we'll look first at the plate earthing and then we'll go for the pipe earthing. So I will write here plate earthing. The following figure depicts the functioning of the plate earthing. Now here we can see that in the plate earthing, first and foremost thing, the general concept is that we should dig a pit. Then we should insert the earth electrode. Here in case of plate earthing, the earth electrode uses copper plate. So I will write the dimensions of the copper plate as, here our earth electrode is copper plate. The dimensions of this copper plate are 0.3 meter into 0.3 meter into 6.35 mm. Now to maintain good to increase the conductivity of the soil around the earth electrode is embedded, that is copper plate. Now to increase the conductivity of the soil around this earth, here soil will be there. To increase the conductivity of the soil around the earth electrode in which the earth electrode is there, what we are doing is we are using alternate layers of common salt and charcoal. You can see here alternate layer. First common salt is there, then charcoal is there, then again common salt is there, charcoal is there, common salt is there, charcoal is there, and the layers of common salt and charcoal are 30 mm thick and 80 mm thick respectively. Now to maintain good conductivity of the soil around the earth electrode, an arrangement is made for pouring water into the earth electrode. We can see here the arrangement is through a funnel. Through this funnel what we'll do is we'll pour the water so that good conductivity of the soil is maintained. Lastly, you can see here the earth wire which is made up of copper is tightly fastened to this earth electrode by means of nuts and screws. Now very important thing in the case of this plate earthing is that the plate, copper plate, should be buried to a depth not less than 2 meter, and it should be at least 0.6 meter away from the foundation of the building. This important precaution has to be taken. I hope this plate earthing is clear for all the students. It's quite simple and easy. Thank you.